Good morning, everyone. This is Melissa with the StockSwoosh.com and welcome. Welcome to an upcoming webinar that I'm going to be doing in September, next week actually, first week of September. And it's about a very interesting topic about how to trade on the side of institutional money. My name is Melissa Armo. I own a company called the Stock Swoosh LLC. If you'd like more information on the Stock Swoosh, you can go to the website at www.thestockswoosh.com. And feel free to email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com and go to Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Skype, and like me at any one of these places there. And if you'd like more information about the upcoming webinar too, feel free to email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. So the lecture is September 4th. It is Wednesday, September 4th. Time is 4:30 Eastern Time. All you need to do is go to this link right here and register. It is a free lecture. However, you do have to register ahead of time. So registration is required ahead of time. It's free. So make sure to get registered and get your spot in there to be there for the free lecture next Wednesday. So I'd like to do a little lecture preview here to describe to you what the class is going to be about next week. It's going to really be about how to trade on the side of institutional money. Everyone always wonders, well, how do you see that? How do you know? How can you read this? Well, you can. Learn how to read the power in a chart and the overall trend of a chart or the market. Becoming a successful trader and investor, whichever one you are, requires becoming a specialist in defining where the institutional buying or selling is occurring in a chart. So learning technical analysis on an advanced level and gaining this understanding is required to read charts in this fashion. Comprehending how to read, define, and trade with this power will have a huge positive monetary impact on your trading. In other words, you're going to become more profitable if you can learn how to read this side of this power and trade with it and take trades with it. Elevate yourself and your trading and your profits to a higher level of consistency and success by learning how to read the footprints of institutions trading in the market, of which, by the way, there is a lot. So you really do want to be with this side of the power. This is how you're going to get paid as a trader or investor in the market. And this is the cornerstone of how one individual by themselves, sitting at home alone with their computer and their trading monitor, can become successful in the market and make a lot of money in a big way. So follow the footprints of institutional money that is in stocks and the market, to take positions in the right direction. Have to get in the right direction. Where is the side of the power? And to do so before the momentum occurs, okay? The idea is to be able to read what's going on, to take your entry before they push it in the direction up or down. So understand how to trade with the side of power. This power has the ability to pay you, and pay you big time, by the way. The market has the ability to pay you too. Learn how the market can pay you in this informative lecture this coming week. So know what institutional money looks like and see it in action. Play it to win and win big. You can win big trading on this side of the power. It is the only way to trade successfully. You do not want to miss this lecture. It really is going to open up your eyes and just be like a light bulb of things that you might have thought about or talked about in the past in reference to what you're seeing with trading in the market. When you see big positions take effect, big bars, whether green bars or red bars, and you're trying to figure out what's going on, what direction, reading what's happening with this power money is the way to make money trading. And you've got to find a way to find it and see it and understand it. So here's an example of a chart of the market. This is the QQQs. And, the market has been in a bullish uptrend for a while. The market is still in a bullish uptrend, okay? As of today, the market is still in a bullish uptrend and is continuing. So when you see this, you have to be able to learn how to read it to see where's the side of the power. The side of the power is up. The side of the power is bullish. The power money people are buying in the market, and every dip down is getting bought in the market, and gap ups are holding in the market and rallying beautifully. So the side of the power in the market is to the upside. And this is very important to understand the overall trend to read this, because otherwise you see something like this just happening this last week and you think the market's topping, retesting this area, doing the double top and the gap down here. You think that this is real. However, The fact is we're in a bullish uptrend. The fact is the direction is still up. It is still bullish. We are still bullish, and nothing that happened in here in the last week has changed that. So how do you find the power? Well, you need to read the information in the price. The way that I trade, the way that I teach people how to trade is all based on price patterns, and basically what is technical analysis. And we're going to talk about this next Wednesday. So you do need to focus on the price. It sounds so simple, and yet this is exactly what people miss when they are trading. They're focused on so many other things, indicators that are all over the chart, and it's really about focusing on the read of the price for the institutional side of power. So you do need to learn to read the side of the money. Where is the money in the market? As one person, if you get with this, you can make money so easily trading. And if you're against this, then you're going to lose. So this is why it is so vital and so important to understand where is the institutions, where are they? Where are they putting their money? Are they selling? Are they shorting? Are they buying? What are they doing? This is going to help you make money easy as a trader and help prevent you from having losses. So read the side of the momentum. Here's a clip of a chart. This is Facebook. Beautiful Facebook chart. Facebook had a gap up here in July. This is an example of a beautiful side of power to the upside, bullish. So how are you going to get there? How are you going to get to this place from A to B? Well, we're going to talk about it in the lecture next week. It's really about trading a system and learning a system that can read the side of institutional power. This makes it very easy for you. Follow a structure to do it. So here's the Facebook. Let's take a look at this. This was Facebook Golden Gap back from July. And it has continued to rally and guess what? Did another gap. It did another gap here in August. And it was a beautiful, fat, big green bar. So it was August 23rd, and Facebook shut up, gapped up. Doesn't look like much, but it is an amazing continuation of the original gap. And you actually could have aggressively bought this right here. But if you wanted to wait and not be so aggressive, you could have waited and taken the position into the reversal time into 945 at 947. Price entry was 39.05. Stop would have been under 38.95. Risk would have been 10 cents for you on this trade. So on 4,000 shares, if you risked $400, you would have made approximately $35.20. This is a risk to reward of over 8 times, almost 9 times the amount risked was made in profit. So you could have turned $400 into $35.20 in an hour. And you were up money the minute you took the trade. As soon as you took the trade, you're up money. As soon as you took the trade, you're up money, and it ran. And actually, this is not even an exit at the full-on placement of the end of the day. If you want to see this here, this bar actually carried through then and ran up to the 42 number then the following day. However, the high of this bar here is not even the exit. It actually ran over 40. But when you take this morning trade and it runs up into the reversal time, you look to book money. However, if you held on to it to the high of the day or to over the 40 where it booped over the 40 number or carried it even into the next day where it did get to the IPO initial opening price of the 42 up to it or within a couple pennies, then you would have made it even more. So beautiful trade in just one shot up. There it is in an hour. And you're sitting in front of your desk and you make over $3,500. The great thing about this, of course, is the risk to reward. And so we're going to talk about this and how to find trades like this. And how do you get trades like this? Well, obviously, it's by reading the side of the institutional money. It is the institutional money that helps you find these types of trades with the great risk to reward and the great entry. The key to large profits and ultimate trading success is in trading with power money. This is a name that I invented. I call it power money. This is the key to doing it, to doing trading successfully as one person. So you've got to learn how to read the side of the power money. You know, I talked to a lot of people and they say, well, you know, I'm thinking about learning how to trade. I'm thinking about doing this or maybe or this or that. What are you waiting for? If not now, when? If not now, when? It is almost 2014. And before you know it, it'll be 2015 and 2016. And here it is. You know, the holidays are right around the corner. You know, if not now, when? What are you waiting for to do something to learn how to trade properly and make money in the market? Ask yourself this. If you've been thinking about doing this for some time, learning how to trade, or doing something to change your overall life, your finances to make more money, when are you going to do it? If not now, when? The fact is, it's time. It's time for people to start taking it upon themselves to change their life and better their own financial circumstances. Fall is a great time to trade in the stock market. It's a great time to learn because there's lots of trading going on, lots of volume, lots of live examples, and lots of good quality trades. And institutions do trade heavy during this time. So fall is coming up this coming month, and it's a great time to learn how to trade and do it. So learn how you can do it. You can do it. You can make money as one individual in the market. I teach a class called the Golden Gap course. It is a course that I trade myself. The system is a system that I personally trade myself, and I teach it to people as well. It is a professional bearish gap system. The dates of the class are September 14th and 15th from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. The cost is $24.99 US. If you are interested, contact me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. I also teach a class on trends. This is a very exciting class that I update the charts every single time that I do the course to follow some of these stocks and the market that I have in the class, live examples. And this class is a course on how to read trends in stock charts and the market. And the next class dates are October 1st from 1 to 6 Eastern Time and October 2nd from 1 to 4 Eastern Time. It's an 8-hour class, and the cost is $9.99. If you're interested in more information on this, contact me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. So I'm doing a special for September. It's called a September Combo Class Special, the Golden Gap course and the Trends course for one great price. If you decide to do both, you will get $499 savings off the price of the both classes together. So you can do the Golden Gap course and the Trends course for $29.99 in the month of September. It's a great deal. You're saving almost $500, and you're going to learn 2 amazing classes that give you a lot of information and all the information you need to go into the fall to start trading successfully and learning how to read this side of institutional power and trends in charts. If you're interested in this, email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. There is limited space for my classes. So if you really are seriously want to do the Golden Gap course for September or the Trends class, the best thing that I can say is to register ahead of time. So empower yourself. Empower yourself today with information. Information is power. This is how you're going to be able to improve your life, make some changes, and get ready to have a fantastic year in 2014. So I will see everyone at the free lecture. Don't forget to go and sign up. It's free, but you do need to register. Just go right here to this link and register for next Wednesday, September 4th, 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. You do not want to miss this lecture. It really will change your trading vantage point. You'll be very excited to learn this information and see that, hey, wow, it is possible to see this side of the money. And for the Stock Swoosh LLC, I am running a special month. It is a tribute to James Bond. So September is Bond month. Get ready for the fun. Everyone that's on the email list and following me on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube will see the fun things. We're going to have some prizes, trivia, giveaways. It's going to be a great month. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful day. Have a great holiday weekend. If you'd like more information, email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com.